Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Hope everybody's doing well. Got a tripod here which I've been titivating a bit with it and that, and as you can see I've got a drill here. So what I'm doing is with this cable, and I've got my Zebra can, what I can do is drill a hole, put a stick in there, then put a stick further down, then you can place it in a different spot. And if I want it higher, then good stuff. This is my setup today with my tripod. I'm going to be baking bread. I've got a bit of cotton wool there with Vaseline, or petroleum jelly, to just get it up and use slightly what's around me. I've got all this new setup, you know, with the tripod and that. And what I want to do first is use the Zebra can. I'm going to put some water in there so I can just boil a little bit of water. So this is hot because I'm going to be baking in that. That's my plan. Okay, that's the 14 centimetre or whatever I think it is, the Zebra can, and okay, I've got some water there. So I'm going to, in this pot here, I've never used it before. I'm just going to be making the bread in there and take it from there, because I'll pour some of that water into that, then take it that way. But you know, that's what I want to do first anyway. So here goes. Enough yeast in there. Also want to put a wee bit of salt in there. So this is my stirrer I'm using. I'm not using spoons or anything like that. It's a bigger pot than my normal ones what I use. I've got fire up and running yet. Today's going to be a wee bit a longer video because I don't want to be rushing about, jumping about, doing video work. So this is This is bigger than I normally make, and I'm just really taking my time with it. I'm not saying it's going to turn out well. I understand the concept, but this is definitely good to do. Well, you can smell it. I've still got some more water, and I'll use that. Put up to the second one. So there's two things here. The Zebra can, I'm just heating it up for the bread to bake, and also I'll use that as for a brew. Sub that a wee bit more. So I'll show you my bread. Zebra can. Look at that. You don't know what it's going to be like inside, but one thing, I'm just going to leave it sitting the way it is above that. Just sitting like that, and there's no any flames or like that, but the heat will rise, so that'll work. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. The main thing was baking the bread in the Zebra can. Thoroughly enjoyed this. My little contraption to use for that, especially here. Absolutely good.